Hello everyone, this video is corresponded by Mirza Ibad Ali Beg and Abdul Khader. Now we are going to learn about collision. What is collision? There are many types of collision. First, collision. Second, elastic collision. Then perfectly elastic collision. Then concept of the center of mass, fundamental of the rotational motion. And last, we will learn about rotational kinematics. Now we learn about elastic and elastic collision.
First of all, we will learn about elastic collision in physics.
Elastic collision. An elastic collision is an isolated system is one in which kinetic energy as well as momentum is conserved. Elastic collision occurs when the force between the colliding bodies are conservative. In one-dimensional collision, we have equations. From conservation of kinetic energy, half mv square plus half m square v1 is equals to half mv square plus half m square v2. From conservation of momentum, ma valx plus ma valx is equals to ma va2x plus ma 2x, where va2x and vv2x are x velocities before the collision, and va2a and va2b are x velocities after the collision.
For example, collision between hard billiard balls and collision between fundamental particles.
As we know that our Earth rotates on the axis, the name, cosmos and the iridium. Once time, the Earth when rotated on the axis, the cosmos and the iridium axes are collided.
Elastic collision. If the collision between gas particles involved friction by the molecules and would gradually slow down and lose kinetic energy, the gas pressure will slowly drop to the zero. However, this is never observed from gases. We can thus postulate that the molecular collision in gases are frictionless and perfectly elastic.
Now we are going to know about the formulas of elastic limit. There are three types of formula. M1v xli plus M2v x2i is equals to M1v xlf plus M2v x2f. Another formula, M1vy li plus M2vy 2i is equals to M1vy1f plus M2vy 2f. The last formula, M1vz li plus M2vz2i is equals to M1vz1f plus M2vz2f. Now we have completed the topic elastic collision.
Our second topic is inelastic collision. Accident between two vehicles is the example of inelastic collision.
When the bodies of two equal masses are collided, then the repulsive force of the attraction between the two molecules is different but in same time. Perfectly inelastic collision. Glider A and glider B approaches each other on a frictionless surface. Each glider has a QT on the
the momentum will act on the balls of the pendulum. From the other side, the one ball will be out because of the momentum. This will also occur in kinetic energy.
In the path of collision, momentum m1v1, kinetic energy half m1v1 square. This occurs before the collision. After collision, m1 plus m2 into v2, half m1 plus m2 v2 square. In ratio of the kinetic energies before and after collision, Ke by Ke is equals to m1 by m1 plus m2. Fraction of kinetic energy lost in the collision, Ke1 minus Ke1 by Ke, m2 by m1 plus m2. m1 v1 is equals to m1 plus m2 into v2. Thus give rise to v2 is equals to m1 by m1 plus m2 into v1. This is the total formula of momentum of the kinetic energy.
Our third topic is center of mass.
As we started our topic center of mass, we will take an example of the tube of the vehicle. In vehicle of the tube, we will take a pair tubers between the part of the tire. In pair tubers, the molecule of the gas are freely. In non-pair tubers, the molecule of the gas are closely packed. Unpaired tubers motion if no pair tubers found. This states that in unpaired tuber there is no closely packed molecules, but in paired tubers are foundly completely and we will learn center of mass in the triangular shape. In the first shape R1 T, second shape R2 T. We will draw first x-axis and y-axis between the zero origin. We will make a shape of triangular and bring a two magnitude of the direction, and last will be the vector. First magnitude R2T, R1T and R2T.
In this we are doing an experiment. In this we will take an L-shaped stand. In this, from the top of the L-shaped stand we will consider as A, and the bottom of we will consider as B. To stable this stand we will give a support to him, and we will pass a light. The light will be fall on the surface in a plane surface, as the rays is O, T, I, naught and I. From this the O will disperse into OT and O naught squares. This graph shows the number of molecules in the presence of kinetic energy. This figure shows about the molecular theory of the mass. This figure shows about the irregular shape in the center of the mass. In this we will find about the how to find the center of mass in irregular shape. This figure shows about the conservation of molecules in the elastic collision. This figure shows about the two bodies. In this there are two bodies of equal sizes. In this the larger body is denoted by M and the small body is denoted by small m. In this there are the radius which is or opposite direction. The big mass is in clear in shape and the small mass is in blurred shape. And our next topic is kinematics. In this we will show about the how to learn the kinematics. The kinematics is in triangular shape or three-side shape. In this there is a three parts of the human being. In this we will the right knee is approximately 0.75 to 0.75 meters and the left foot is 0.25 to 0.45 kinematics. This figure shows the kinematics formula. If the kinematics theory is in translation, there is a different formula, and if the kinematics is in a rotational motion, there are different formula to study. This table shows about the formulas of kinetomatics. This figure shows about the collision. Before the collision, the body is in m1 x1 square, and after the collision, the body is in m1 vxy square. This figure shows how the body makes the angle in kinetomatics. This figure shows about how the waves are formed from the same point in the different directions. This figure shows about how the kinetomatics will be formed in the human beings to check the arteries and veins of the human being. This picture shows about how the motion will occur in two bodies. This picture indicates that collision between two bodies of different masses. This picture indicates how a body will be formed and formed in another body. We will take an experiment. In this, we will take an height. From there, we will throw a body is denoted as m1. After the falling, the second body is known as m2 body. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe it.